Today we're making leftover crackers. Okay, you put this space. Now let me put the water out. No. I'll put the clove garlic here. Put the garlic. Okay. Time to blend. Where's the lid? Top. Better? Oh. Okay. No, Sarah already has that. How does this fit? Okay, we don't need this.
Here. Done?
It's done.
Spread that.
Okay, so good. To be very
Thin.
yeah. In this corner, sir. Wait, do we need more? I don't know. Oh no, my finger is. Don't get any cracks. I'm gonna spread it. It's spreaded here. Right. It's spread. I think that's good. Oh, over here. No. Good. Okay.
Bake.
Now we bake for 20 minutes
375 Fahrenheit.
at 375 Fahrenheit. Wait, can I add a sprinkle of salt on top?
Yeah. Okay.
Yay!
It's here. Wow.
I'm washing my hands. I have my hands clean already. No, wash your hands. I already have my hands clean. Oh, 20 minutes. 6 minutes. 6, 20, 21. Minus. 21. Is that 20?
Start.
You gotta press. I'm pressing. Okay. So, Mama,
Is that good?
I think I'll just skip the lesson. Crackers are done.
Very good.
It's hot. I think that's perfect. This is soft one, but
Have you tried this one?